Let us see a problem based on the H parameters. The given question is solve the two-port network to get H parameters and represent H parameters in terms of the ABCD parameters. So this is the given two-port circuit to us. We need to first of all find the required H parameters and then we need to represent H parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. So we will first start with this to find the H parameters of this network. So since it is a two-port network, it will have 4 H parameters and the H parameter equation is given by V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 is equal to H21 I2 plus H22 V2. Let us name this equation as 1 and 2. So we will first obtain or we will first find H11 and H21. For that, what we are going to do, we are going to connect a voltage source to port 1 and short circuit port 2, right? So I'm going to connect a voltage source to port 1. So connect voltage source V1 to port 1 and we are going to short circuit port 2. Fine. So this is the first condition that we are going to do, connecting voltage source to port 1 and short circuiting port 2. When this is done, we can redraw the circuit as this is 10 ohm, this is 20 ohm. We are connecting a voltage source across port 1. So this is the voltage source that we are connecting. So let this be V1 and we are short circuiting this port 2. This is short circuited. Now what will happen when a resistor is short circuited? We can actually redraw this circuit. If you see here, this is a resistor and this is a short circuit. This is short circuit is nothing but connecting with a wire. So wire is a conductor which has zero resistance. So a 20 ohm resistor is parallel to a zero resistor. So what will be the equivalent resistance? It is 20 by 0 by 20 plus 0 which is equal to 0. So whenever a resistor is connected in parallel to a wire, then the total resistance becomes 0, which is nothing but we can replace this with a wire which has 0 resistance. So this can be replaced as the 10 ohm, the voltage source, and this just becomes a piece of wire because it has 0 resistance. Fine. So from here we actually have a current I1 and because of the short circuit from port 2 we will be having the current I2. Now according to Ohm's law we can write V1 is equal to 10 into I1 or V1 by I1 is equal to 10, right? So V1 by I1 is nothing but the first parameter H11. So therefore we are getting H11 to be of value 10. And also in this circuit I1 and I2 are in the opposite directions. So we can write I2 is equal to minus of I1, right? And we have already found what is I1 value. So I2 divided by I1 will be equal to minus of the next parameter which is nothing but H21. H21 is nothing but the ratio of the two currents I2 by I1. So therefore H21 is equal to minus of I2 by I1 which is equal to minus 1. Fine. So from the given circuit we can conclude that I2 is equal to minus I1 and from that we have brought out the H21 parameter which is of value minus 1. So we have found the first two parameters H11 as 10 and H21 as minus 1. Let us find the next two parameters. So next we will find H22 and H12. For this what we will do? We will connect a voltage source to port 2 and open circuit port 1. So connect voltage source V2 to port 2 and open circuit port 1. So what will happen when we do this? Open circuit port 1 means current there becomes 0. So we can redraw the circuit as this is 10 ohm. We have 20 ohm. Across port 2 we are connecting a voltage source V2 and here it is open circuited. So open circuit means the current here becomes 0, but a voltage will exist here. Let the voltage be V1. Now let us see how to do the further analysis. So now when we take the second loop here, we know that I1 has already become 0. Therefore, we can write by Ohm's law that V2 will be equal to, V is equal to I into R. It will be I2 into 20. So we can write I2 by V2 is equal to 1 by 20, which is nothing but H22. So therefore, H22 is equal to 0.05 mho. Right? V by I, it is represented as ohms. I by V is the inverse of ohms, which is mho. Next, to find the parameter H12, once again when you observe the circuit, we can say that it is symmetrical. So V2 will be equal to V1. So therefore, we can write from the circuit that, because I1 has become 0, which means two voltages will be the same. V1 will be equal to V2. So therefore, from this, the ratio of V1 by V2 is equal to, if we bring this here, we just have 1 here. And V1 by V2 is nothing but H12. So H12 value, we are getting it to be 1. So therefore, finally, we can write the H parameter matrix as H is equal to H11, H12, H21 and H22. So this we are getting it as 10, 1, minus 1 and 0.05. Now we are asked to find the ABCD matrix from the H parameter matrix. So the relationship between ABCD and H is given by ABCD is equal to minus del H by H21 minus H11 by H21 minus H22 by H21 and minus 1 by H21. Now let us substitute the various values and find out the ABCD matrix. So we will first find what is del H. So del H is the determinant of 10, 1, minus 1 and 0.05, and we will be getting this value to be 1.5. So we can write ABCD as, it is minus 1.5 divided by minus 1 minus 10 by minus 1 minus 0.05 divided by minus 1 and 1 by minus 1. It's minus 1 by minus 1. So therefore, we will be getting the final ABCD matrix to be 1.5, 10, 0.05 and 1. So from the relationship between the ABCD matrix and the H matrix, we have substituted the various values already found here, and we have found out the required ABCD matrix, which is 1.5, 10, 0.05 and 1. Thank you.